Yo, what's up, everybody? Let me just sort out the mics quickly. What is up, guys? Welcome to the Monday stream. I usually don't trade Mondays, as some of you guys know, but we're gonna be looking at the markets. There's a possible trade set up on Nasdaq, looking at long positions, but just waiting for a specific entry to occur. But in the meantime, I just want to show you guys my predictions for the FIFA World Cup. So today at 9 o'clock, Spain's playing Portugal. It's a little bit of a tough one for myself because I love Ronaldo. But regardless, bro, like, I'm hoping that Spain goes through. If not, it's a WW, like it's between legacy or a second World Cup for Spain. And yeah, if you guys do have a Vault Markets account, you guys can predict your matches over here. This is like all the games are predicted. United States, surprisingly, I think that they're going to win. I said it would be 2-1 to the US. And then Argentina and Egypt, I think it's going to be 4-1 to Argentina. That's my outlook for the World Cup. So if you guys are watching the World Cup or into predictions, then you can obviously create an account with Vault Markets. The link is in the bio of this YouTube channel. And then, yeah, see how it goes. In terms of Nasdaq, so looks like Nasdaq might be pretty bullish for today. These are trades throughout the live streams. We've had 3 Ws so far. What I would like is for Nasdaq to essentially come back down to this 1 hour trend as well as the golden zone, and then look for long positions over there. But so far there's no real sign that price will come down. Any particular reason why you don't trade Mondays? So I use weekly and daily ranges as well as Fibonacci as one of my 7 variables, well, 2 of my 7 variables. And the reason why is like Monday sets the tone for the new week. So I wait for price to essentially set the tone for Monday, so I can essentially look at how the new week is looking, and then also have slightly higher predictable / quality trades than just like riding off the momentum. So for me, these yellow horizontal lines that you guys see here, these would usually be my Monday daily high and lows, but because today is Monday, I have to work off with Friday, which I don't like doing, because that's also, again, the previous week. That's the worst sound. I need to put more. So yeah, that's the main reason. Also kind of just like lets you, see how this week is starting off rather than just like guessing, right? But yeah, so far how I labeled my chart is if you look at the weekly, let me just hide my joins. You can see that last week we closed bullish, the previous week we closed bearish. Right now we at quite a significant minor support. So far just looking at that, I would say that we could be bullish. And then looking at the daily, Friday closed bullish, Thursday and Wednesday closed bearish. So still looks pretty good to go long. We go back to the 1 hour time frame. This is essentially, what we have. So we have a 1 hour descending trend, a 1 hour ascending trend, and prices trading below another 1 hour ascending and below a 1 hour descending, as well as above a 4 hour ascending trend. So if we can get price to essentially come to this pocket over here, get our confluence with our Japanese candlesticks, then we can possibly look for a nice entry. Otherwise, what's your guys' prediction? What's your guys' prediction for NASDAQ today? If you guys are trading any other pairs, let me know. Bailey, do you usually trade? Is it Bailey? Yes, Bailey. Do you usually trade Mondays? So yeah, this won't be too long of a stream, to be honest. We mainly just looking for this nice little touch. Somewhere here, stop loss would be just slightly below, and then we would be aiming for. I trade Monday through Thursday. I hate Fridays. Okay, yeah, mine's the same. Essentially Tuesday to Friday. Hate Mondays. So that's the kind of trade setup that we would look for today on NASDAQ. And Bailey, do you just mainly trade, what do you trade mostly? NASDAQ gold? So I have 25 minutes. Oh, German, okay. So London session would be your main market. London, Frankfurt. Udo, think we'll go higher. Yeah, me too, bro. Definitely as well. Definitely as well. I'm actually like quite curious. Like, do you guys think, like, in any shape or form, the World Cup has effect on stocks? Like, out of curiosity, like because the US is in basically the round 16, possibly quarterfinals. Do you think that like affects it slightly? From a social perspective, do you know? Obviously not from a company perspective, but maybe more so from a social perspective. But if it does, it would obviously be minute. But I'm just curious what you guys think. 23 minutes till market open. Have you tried the FOMO app? And some coin rip to... No, I haven't. I haven't tried the FOMO app. What is that, a wallet or exchange? Or is it like a signal thing? It's like social media for coins. Follow your mates and big traders to see what they're going for. Really solid. Okay, very cool. FOMO app. I'll have a look. See. So is there like a subscription thing, or can you just like view people's trades or accounts like for free and stuff? What's the layout? That's free to use. Most big traders link their X account to get live notifications when people place trades. Got into Ansem corner on. Damn, nice, bro. Loki, how you doing, bro? Very, very cool. It's similar to that other, what's the name, Potion. I think where you can follow like crypto traders, news events when crypto traders get into like coins and so on. Very similar to Potion. I think what RNG made Potion. He actually sold it for like quite a bag. I'm good, broski. Alright, so Nasdaq is moving down quite nicely. We're just waiting for that. Again, guys, like if you are trading this today, I would probably go like lower risk. It is close to like a 1 to 5 trade setup, so I'll definitely go slightly lower risk, especially because it's Monday. Don't know what's happening with Calendly, but they're keen to hop on the meeting this week. We'll create another meeting now. When did you book, Loki? I haven't checked WhatsApp yet, so did you message me as well when you booked? we got 17 minutes until market open. I booked for top end today. I messaged you and said I think, but no stress. I booked one for now 13 next week if you free this week. Okay, I didn't see, bro. I'll definitely have spots open this week. I can do probably like tonight. Yeah, my calendar is quite full. I can do tonight and probably like during the afternoon, Tuesday and Wednesday. But I'll chat to you on WhatsApp after the stream, then we can set it up. Let's chat after. Probably tomorrow will be best playing a bit. Okay, sick, bro. How's the shows going? I saw you did one big show, like you headlined something. That's amazing, bro. Ah. Alright, cool. Why am I so small? There we go. Yo, what's up, Discord? We're also live on YouTube right now, so I'm sharing my screen on Discord as well as TradingView. As well as YouTube. Going crazy, bro. Shot for asking. Spain definitely loves Afro music like crazy. Love it, bro. That's so good. All right, so Nasdaq is in our key point of interest. Let's just wait for that confirmation, then we can maybe get into a nice position. I don't really want to enter like before market open, but maybe we can get something. And then with this particular trade setup, with our game box. All right, that's what we're looking at for Nasdaq. We got 10 more minutes. Yo, what's up, DC? I'll be back in 2 seconds. Let's go. All right, 4 more minutes till market open. Let's see what it gives us. We just came short of our entry, but I really want price to at least come into our golden zone as well as our 1 hour trend. And Loki, what's your outlook on gold today, bro? I'm looking at shorts, but you're obviously the gold master. What are you thinking? All right, let's go Nas. Beautiful touch on trend. Whoa, huge candle down. Let's see if we can get something out of this. I just want that 5-minute retest. 5-minute retest, then can look to go in with NASDAQ. I'll let it do its thing, hop in for shorts. Nice, bro. Come on, 5-minute retest. Let's hope this isn't goodbye. New 5-minute candle. Let's see. But currently in buys just for my open scalp only about 9. Nice, bro. That's crazy. Miss Global. What's up, boo? Alright, so price essentially filled that minor 5-minute fair value gap. We just want it to essentially touch the trend, but this fill is pretty good as well. So once we touch that trend, that could be our entry point. All right. Okay, touch the trend. Let's just wait. Just wait for a little reaction. Let's just see the 15 quick. 15 looks good, especially if we close bullish. So let's, how many minutes? Let's take entries on NASDAQ at this price point. So we're in on NASDAQ longs, quite a tight stop loss. All right. So NASDAQ buys at 29635. 29635. Our stop loss is 29. Let's do 500. All right. So just slightly lower, 29500. That's our trade. Basically close to a 1, 2, 3 trade setup. All right. Then at this price point, we'll move stop loss to entry. So that price point move SL to entry. Let's do that. Let's do this. All right, now we're in the thick of it. Let's go. So a little bit of a premature entry, but obviously with the volume coming in, it might just completely turn around. How's the trade going? We just entered the trade. So far we basically had break even, slight loss running, but just entered now. See, 1 more minute on this 5-minute candle. If we can get this 5-minute candle just to close above this 1 hour trend, then we should be pretty good. Obviously we need at least a proper break on this trend, but let's see. So we're running profit at the moment. Again, once price hits 29726, all right, that's our SL to entry. That's when we would make the trade break even. For now, we just keep on running. Beautiful so far. Really, really good so far. Let's just see if we can get this momentum. We got 10 more seconds on this candle. Beautiful. Boom, new candle. Let's see how it looks on the 15. All right, looks good. Looks really good so far. Come on. Okay, Nasdaq basically back at entry. Quite a volatile Monday, I must say. Geez, like that opening candle. Oh my days. Two more minutes until the new 15-minute candle. Let's see how it's looking. Good. Ideally, we just want this candle to close bullish and above trend. Then Bob's your uncle. One more minute. Quite volatile, yeah. Gold and has been pretty similar these past few days on my. Yeah, it is quite weird. Normally it moves opposite directions. So usually if gold goes up, Nasdaq goes down, vice versa. So it is really interesting. All right, new 15 as well as new 5. So let's just see this. There we go. So guys, move SL to entry just for a risk-free trade. Okay, so SL to entry, and then TP1, we're just shy of TP1 right now. TP1 will basically give you a close to a 1-to-1. So TP1 approaching and SL to entry, guys. Just make sure that your SL's at entry just for a risk-free trade. And was that TP1? 758. Okay, so TP1 hit. TP1 hit. All right, W's. Amazing. Let's shoot this quickly on the story. Yo, what's up, guys? Monday stream for Volt Markets. We just hit TP1 on NASDAQ. We 4 for 4 right now. 100% success rate on the streams. Let's freaking go. All right, dope, guys. So let's just hope we can obviously hit more because TP1 isn't like, you know, a great return. But if we can get more, perfect. Gold is tanking as well at the moment, which is looking quite nice. Yo, what's up, guys? Monday stream for Volt Markets. We just hit TP1 on NASDAQ. We 4 for 4 right now. 100% success rate on the streams. Let's freaking go. Yo, what's up, guys? Monday stream for Volt Markets. We just hit TP1 on NASDAQ. We 4 for 4 right now. 100% success rate on the streams. Let's freaking go. Yo, what's up, guys? Monday stream for Volt Markets. We just hit TP1 on NASDAQ. Yo, Udo. Yes, sir. 100% success. I mean, I'm not buzzing as of yet because also like we would like a little bit more. But so far so good, bro. For Monday, so far so good. So far so good. T1 good enough for me on a day like this. No stress at all, Bailey, bro. Glad you caught it. Glad you came through. Good stuff. Good stuff so far. Really good stuff. TP2 850. So we're not far from TP2. Not far from TP2 at all. Hit on gold as well. This looks really good. Yeah, I just hope it keeps on going, bro. Jeez, like. So TP2 is about here. Gold's looking pretty ugly. Jeez. Also very volatile, just swinging up and down. All right, slowly approaching TP2. Let's go. Come on, give it to us. Oh, NASDAQ, you beaut. You absolute beaut. Keep on going. More juice. So this is a 1 hour trend. All right, so NASDAQ right now is retesting a 1 hour descending trend. Obviously, if we break that, that would look beautiful for us. Let's go, Nas. Let's go, NASDAQ. Let's go. Let's go, NASDAQ. Let's go. Okay. Rejection on that 1 hour trend. Let's just see if it's a retest of the daily high on Friday. Hopefully that was what it is. Beautiful, coming up again. Let's switch to 15. Let's just see what's actually happening. Beautiful. All right, we do possibly have a FEG over here. So price would need to come and fill that gap eventually. But it's good in terms of buyer's momentum right now. All right, so in terms of buyer's momentum, this is good. TP2. Come on, Nasli. Come on, Nasli. It's itching, bro. It's literally itching. Now I just need Portugal to win tonight. Bro, I'm like 50-50, I'll be honest. Like, I'm rooting for Spain. Bro, you're in a dangerous place to root for Portugal. Be careful, bro. You're in a dangerous place to root for Portugal. I'm thinking, here's my prediction. 3-2 to Spain. Yeah, 3-2. Like, for sure. Alright, so guys, I would move my stop loss just at this FEG to 9655. 29655, yeah, correct. Rather leave it there just in case price does decide to absolutely sink. hoping for the best. Bro, I wouldn't mind Portugal winning because of Ronaldo. Like, legacy. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, it would be really, really nice if he can get a World Cup and also reach that stage. Like, that would be amazing. But, bro, I'm scared to win my Portugal top. Bro, don't do it for sure. Definitely don't do it. Wear Ronaldo Real Madrid shirt, bro. Then you're at least 50-50. Like, Madrid's in Spain, Ronaldo is Portuguese. Like, it's 50-50 at least. True, but every time I wear my Madrid top, Barca fans give me a dirty look. Never seen people take. Okay, yeah, bro, you can't win there. You literally can't win. It's tough. All right, guys, we're gonna let this trade play out. Just make sure that your positions are at entry. TP2 is at 29850, and TP3 is between 30,000 to 30,030. So let's hope this hits TP2. Yeah, I'm off now, and I'll catch you guys on Thursday. All right. Have a good day, and shot for watching. Make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe as well, and yeah, appreciate you guys. Have a good Monday.